When placing your new reflect address markers in curbside applications, pick a spot that would be most noticeable for emergency responders. Usually about 3 feet away from the driveway approach is the most common area. With the wire brush, clean the surface of the concrete, then brush away the remaining dust. Measure down from the top of the curb to the desired level and make a mark. Repeat the process on the other end and then draw a line between the two marks. After laying out your entire address, start with one of the middle numbers first. When applying the glue to the back of the marker, start by placing a dot of glue at each corner. Next, apply a steady bead of glue staying approximately 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 an inch away from the inner edge, the two sides. When continuing the bead at the top and bottom of the marker, place the bead approximately 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch from its edge. When finishing the outer edge, allow the bead to continue in a swirl-like design by moving the bead inwardly approximately 3/8 of an inch away from the previous bead until the bead stops in the center of the marker. Starting at your straight edge, apply marker with a slight twisting motion to ensure the glue spreads evenly. Press down on the marker starting in the middle and with a slight pressure, work your way out to the inner edges, the sides that touch another marker. Stop squeezing the marker when glue becomes noticeable at the outside edge. When working your way to the top and bottom, press down until a small amount of glue is visible just beyond the outer edge, being careful not to squeeze out an excessive amount. When applying the second and third inner markers, apply the same way you did the first marker, but this time start by placing the new marker along the side of the previous one installed. When applying the bead of glue to the front and rear markers in the lineup, remember to place the bead approximately 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch from the outside perimeter's edge and 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 an inch from the inside edge, working your way again into the center. If excessive amounts of glue ooze beyond the marker's edge, wait for approximately 3 hours of setup time, depending on the temperature. Using a sharp knife, cut away the excessive glue and carefully remove it. Take a soft rag, dip it in paint thinner, and begin to rub the rag along the edge of the markers, turning the rag repeatedly until all the edges look consistent. If some of the glue got smeared onto the marker itself, rub the marker with the rag until the glue is dissolved and removed.